Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw candy in Adobe Illustrator. Please support me by liking the video. Don't forget to watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. We select our color and draw a circle with the Ellipse tool. With gradient, we give the circle a radial gradient, and we set the colors. We make the central light edges dark. Support me by liking the video. We draw a line with the pen tool, select its color, and make it thick. We select the line and enter the effect panel, switch to the Distort and Transform section, and select Twist from there. And we bend the line. Reselect the line and press the Expand button from the Object panel to make it an object and place it in the center of the circle. We make the central light edges dark. Support me by liking the video. We draw two circles with the Ellipse tool, reduce the opacity values, we draw a rectangle with the Rectangle tool, and our candy is ready. Your support is very important for making better quality videos. You can support us by choosing one of the monthly packages on Patreon by visiting the link below. Those who want to buy vectors can go to our online store by clicking the second link below. Please note that all vectors in our store are free for our Patreon supporters. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I will wait for your feedback. Have a nice day, and